All right, so you have two equations. When you have two equations and they want you to solve, what name can you give to these two equations? They are a what? Yeah, they're a what? When you have two equations and they want you to solve, you're solving a blank of equations. Oh, you're so close. S, Y, S, system of equations. Okay, so this is easier than, like this, it's just going to get harder, so this is like the easiest one. So this is like the last step in elimination where you plug back in. So substituting means plugging in. All right, so we have 6x plus 7y equals negative 4, and we have x equals negative 10. So what you do is you say, well, all right, well, these two equations, we're going to find the point they have in common, so we're going to plug in x equals negative 10. We're going to drop that in for that x right there. So when I do that, I get 6 times what? 6 times negative 10 plus 7y equals negative 4. Then what do I get? Wait, what do I do from here? Wait, what do I write? What do I write down? Okay, add 60 to both sides. And when you write on your work, do you add 60 to both sides like this? 60 to both sides. Y. All right, what do you get? Cool. Okay, divide by 7. Divide by 7. And we get x equals what? 8. That's awkward. That's a y. That's a y. I was like, why do we have two x's? So y equals, no, 8's right. 8. Okay, so we actually have an answer. We're done. Because they both already have this x equals negative 10 in common. Alright, so what's the answer? What would I put in right here? No, you don't have to. Because you see how it says x equals negative 10? So it's negative 10 comma negative 10 comma 8. And if I were to graph the first line, which would be like that, and I graph x equals negative 10, okay, if I were to graph that, what is the point of what we just figured out? This coordinate, what is this? You've yet to get this one right on your own, by the way. This may be the time that you answer this one correctly. No, you have to understand what it means to do harder problems. So what does it mean when you're solving the system of equations? You're finding the point where the two lines intersect. It's where the two lines cross. All right, ready? All right, so this is just like one step harder than the last problem. So we have y equals 3x plus 8. And the other one we have is y equals 2x plus 4. There it goes. All right, so we got these two equations. I just put them side by side instead of one on top of each other because with substitution, they should kind of be side by side, not on top of each other, because on top of each other kind of implies elimination. You with me? All right, what letter is that? Y. All right, but when you are trying to find the coordinate, the point that these two lines have in common, that means they share the same y, which means that you can go ahead and substitute this value for y into that equation right there. You can put that right there. So you're going to get 2x plus 4 equals what? Hello? All right, here we go. So we got 2x plus 4, and that just came from the other thing, right? That was just from the other thing over there. All right, so x plus 4 equals what? Now just tell me out loud so we can have it on video. I can hear you just fine. I just can't see you. It doesn't matter. We're going through it together. Come on, go, go, go. This is for the future you. All right. Whoa. Wait. Let me write I'm just going to rewrite this. 2x plus 4 equals, notice these guys are on opposite sides of the equal sign, right? You can't add them together like that. So what do? You gotta combine, but you can't add. Well, if you could add them, like you could do this. If I had 3x plus 2x equals 7, then I can combine like that and say that's 5x. But if I have, well, if I have 3x equals 2x plus 7, then you gotta subtract 2x because you're on opposite sides of the equal sign. Wait. I'm just saying, like, do you want to create a negative x? You could totally do that. There's an easier way of doing things. Minus 2x. Minus 2x. That's okay. Watch. Now go straight. So what happens when you wipe out? What do you get? That's gone. What do you get now? 4 equals 1x. I'll just write it as x plus 8. Get rid of the 8. What do we get? Yep, so x equals negative 4. You can write it like this if you want. This is what the x equals. So, oh, no. Now this part is exactly like the other part of elimination. Just pick one, plug it in. You're done. So you just go say, all right, well, that's what x equals 4. So then I'm going to go, I pick this one to plug it into. But I could have picked this one to plug it into if I wanted to. You're plugging it into y equals which is y is equal to negative 4. Now we have our point of intersection. What's our point of intersection? Negative 4. Negative 4, negative 4. All right, type that in. Let me know how you do. All right, so this is easier than the last one because it gave us y. Like I already have an answer. Y is 1. Boom. So then I go right here. This y is equal to 1. I'm going to plug that in right there. So then you're going to get x plus 9 times 1 equals 1. X plus 9 equals 1 minus 9 minus 9. X equals, that's gone. Should have drawn a little line thingy there. Negative 8. And then that negative 8 goes right there. So the answer is negative 8 comma 1. All right. All right, so looks to me like you did this. You went right here, and this went over here, right? All right, so then you have, oh yeah, you can't go if my screen isn't on. Hold on. Okay, can you see everything okay? Wait, I just want to know. Okay, you have this. You have 2x minus 10 equals negative 3x minus 5. I see that. You did that, which is correct. What's next? Oh, okay. You went like this. You did that. Oh, wait. I see the mistake. What? Okay, okay. You want to get everything that belongs to x on one side and everything that does not have an x in it on the other side. Okay? And yeah, so what you did, if you do this, watch. If you do this, watch. If you go like this and you do this, right? What's going to happen is you're going to get a 0 here. You have to have something. If you have nothing on one side of the equal sign, you actually have to put a 0 there. Then over here, you're going to get a 5x, and then what else are you going to get? And they got to put these together. You're going to get negative 5. But then you got to go, wait, you can keep, it's actually not, this isn't wrong, by the way. It's just a silly way of doing things. But you can keep going. Keep going. What do you get? So you keep going, and you're going to get 5x equals what? 5. Well, divide by 5, x equals 1, right? You could do that, but that's like kind of silly. So back up. wait. The better way, just backing up. The better way is get your three x's to get your everything with x's on one side, non-x's on the other side. All right. So what are we adding to both sides? Get all the x's on one side, the non-x's on the other. So what are we adding to both sides? So what we want, like, we want that on the other side. So what do we do? So tell me, what do I write here? Okay, plus 3x, and then plus 3x. All right, go like that. Now what do I get on the right? On the right, negative height, good. On the left, all right, now what do I do? Add the 10, gone. Then you get 5x equals what? Right here you get 5x equals what? Yeah, 10 minus 5. 5. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. X equals what? Now what do you do? Okay, so you go and you plug it in right there. So you're going to get y equals negative 3 times what? 1 minus 5. So y equals negative 3 minus 5. Y equals what? So negative, watch, so negative, just 5 is not looking like a 5. Negative 8. Negative 3 minus 5 is, you can go boom, boom. Negative 8, so y is equal to negative 8. So what's our final answer? 1 comma negative 8. You get it? All right, I'm going to stop this.